We have a 1983 Chevy C10 pickup, just a small block truck back there that we bought from Muscle Car Corvette Nationals. We have our tech Brandon back there, did a full inspection on it and is going through the repairs. It's got a lot of wiring issues under the dashboard, instrument cluster which we had to replace, radiator was leaking, the one that was in there, along with rear brakes and parking brake cables, 20-inch wheels and tires. Real good look on that truck. We'll get the cooling system back together and be able to fire that thing up.
Hello, I'm Brandon, one of the technicians here. Here we have a 83 C10. That is one of our dealer trucks. We'll jump inside, go through some of the stuff we did. None of the dash gauges were an option, so we replaced the dash, replaced the door pins, went through wiring, found that that was a nice bowl of spaghetti, cleaned all that up, added seat belts for safety. Look at that beautiful dash, all nice, back intact. Take a look under the hood. Whew, look at that, all nice and clean now. Wasn't before, I'll tell you that. Went through, replaced radiator, put back on nice factory fan shroud, placed the electric dual fans with a clutch, all OEM setup, went through, tightened valve covers, replaced wiper motor. As we replaced the wiper motor, realized that there was no washer jets. So pulled the cowl, installed those, tested operation, everything is flawless. So now you'll be nice and safe going down the road. Anyone throw some mud at you, hit the button, wash it all away. So one of the things that we do with all of our purchased vehicles is we give it a front to back, top to bottom inspection. This one you can see we still have a gearbox that's leaking. That will all get addressed and replaced. Can't have no issues like that. So here we went, mounted our fan shroud from the bottom, placed hoses, come over here. Obviously we replace the oil, is one of the things we do. Replace the transmission gasket, pan, come back here. They originally had wrong grease zerk. They actually didn't have a grease zerk, so we had to pound the U-joints back out, install it correctly, and then replace it. Nice grease zerk, so that way it can actually be serviceable. Come back here, all brand new parking brake cables, replaced, front to back, drums, shoes, all hardware. Gotta be able to stop this beautiful truck. And to finish it off, I got set. Beautiful, beautiful Nitto tires.
Hello, this is Chris with Blackdog Performance Cars. I hope you enjoyed the first part of this video where the Speed Shop went over everything that went into making this truck a 1983 C10 frontline ready. One thing we loved about this truck was contrasting that bright red exterior was this unique interior color. It's actually called ginger, and what we liked about it was that just about every piece of that interior was finished in that ginger color. Our intention with this video is basically to show that when we buy a vehicle off of an individual or even sometimes a dealer, we go through the truck completely to make sure that the future owner, the guy or gal who buys it from us, is satisfied with the end result. Thanks for watching our video on this 1983 C10, and I hope you get an understanding of what goes into a car and how it qualifies to be a Blackdog performance car before we sell it. If you have any questions about this one, give us a call at 224-352-2535 or shoot us an email at carsales@blackdogspeedshop.com.